Roxanne's Galleria, Cebu. Thank you so much for having us. Grabe. Together with the rest of the Beauty Empire cast, we thank you for coming here and spending the day with us. Maraming salamat po. At dahil dyan, hindi pa ako tapos. Kakanta pa po ako ng isa pa. Kaya kuya, i-play mo na yan.
Thank you so much for your importance. Hi,
so pretty. Grabe.
You're more beautiful than me, of course. And of course, speaking of beauty, it's not just you who's beautiful. Of course, pati yung mga Cebuanos natin. Very beautiful for spending time with you here. So, kanina nakita kita, you were interacting so warmly with the crowd. How do you find po yung ating mga Cebuano audience? What's your impression sa mga Cebuanos natin?
Alam nyo, sa totoo lang, hindi ko alam kung ano ang meron sa Cebu, pero kada nandito po ako, I always feel like I'm coming home. Kasi meron po akong ginawang proyekto dati dito mismo sa Cebu, in I Will Always Love You. Isang buwan na akong nandito sa Cebu. Nilibot ko po, isa akong lechonera doon sa show na yon. Kaya talagang malapit po sa puso ko ang Cebu. Kaya I'm so happy to be back here and to perform in front of all of you guys, promoting our project, Beauty Empire, na sana po ay sinubaybayan po ninyo sa View. Kami po ay natapos na sa View kagabi, but we are still available on View and we are still airing on GMA Prime at 9:35 p.m.
Oh, thank you so much for sharing. Napakarami mo palang stories with Cebu.
Yes, oo.